Hello. So we're trying to explain about the possible subnet address. We were provided an IP address and a mask number, and we can convert it to decimal with 255.255.248, I believe. And then if we convert to binary, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since we have 24 bits right here, and then we need 5 more to make it 29, and then we add, so it's already 5 over here, so we need 3 more right here. And now we have to figure out if this is the we have to figure out the network address from this IP address. So see, we're gonna do the AND method. So we take the last number over here, and then the binary number is right here. So we put that number right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, and then we convert this number to binary, which is 64. We know it's the second place right here. So it'd be easy. 0 and then 1, which represents 64, and then the rest of it is 0. And then we do the AND method, and if you see 1 and 0 would be 0, and 1 and 1, 1, 1, 0 will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0 will become 0, 0, and 0. So the network, so we know this number is on the second place, which is 64. So the network address would be 10.195.55.64 from here. So actually, this is the network address right here. So now we know this is the network address, and then we need to figure out the increment for this network address. So we can do it like, if you see like the last digit, like the last number 1 here, it's on the 5th place. So we know 128, 64, 32, 16, 32, and then 8. So the increment number would be 8. So the next possible subnet network address would be 10.195.55. We had 8 from there, which is 72. And then from here we can know, like, since if we're asked like what is the broadcast address from this network right here, it would be easy. We add 8 number from here, right, and then add it. So this would be the next possible subnet address. And then we know like the last number of this subnet will be the broadcast number. So it's just basically the first number right here minus 1. So 10, 195, 55, and 71. So that number would be the broadcast address for the first one right here. And then we're trying to find the next possible subnet. So from 72 we add 8. So it would be 10, 41, 95, 55, and would be 80. So that would be the next possible subnet address. And then if there's a question, what is the first possible host address? So this is the subnet address. So the next possible host address will be 73. So the next number right after the subnet address, and then the last number in this range, which is 79, would be the broadcast address, and then the possible number, the possible host address that this network can have, this range can have, will be, since we have like only 30 right here, so it's back again to the power of 3 bits right here, minus 2, which is 6 hosts. If you guys can count like from 64 to 72. Actually like 8 numbers, 8 address, and 1 is reserved for the network address, and 1 is for broadcast address, and the other 6 are for the host address. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you.